Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another issue of High Tech Century. I'd really like to appreciate all the likes that we've gotten so far, and if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. And now that we're getting back in the swing of things after the Chinese New Year holiday season, today we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, which is their latest wireless earbuds. Today we'll be having a closer look at what's in the box for the Galaxy Buds Pro. First thing you'll notice is the usual warranty stickers, then you'll get the Galaxy Buds Pro itself wrapped in a sheet of protective paper, and the earbuds themselves are already inside the casing. You also get a bit of an initial charge, but according to the user manual, they recommend you to charge it for 10 minutes beforehand before you start pairing it with your smartphones. So these are the earbuds themselves. Where most of the finish is matte, the touch control surface on each of the earbuds is slightly shiny, and like others, it responds primarily to touch, but there's a customizable touch and hold feature for each one. You also get a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging it, though you can also charge the Galaxy Buds Pro wirelessly via a charging pad or via another Galaxy S21 phone. And you also get a pair of ear tips. You have a larger and smaller one, and with the medium one pre-installed on the Galaxy Buds Pro itself. And the rest of it is basically paperwork. You get the warranty guide, you have a quick start manual. So after testing it for a couple of weeks, we came out with a written review, which you can find the link later in the description. And here's a quick summary of our findings. Basically, the Galaxy Buds Pro pairs up in a very fast, efficient and swift fashion with other Samsung Galaxy phones, naturally. To make it about, you use the Galaxy Wearable app, pairs up really fast in seconds. And some of the things we notice is that when it comes to active noise cancellation, it's excellent, and audio quality is really good on the Galaxy Buds Pro because it adopts a separate woofer and a separate tweeter in each earbud so that you can have more detailed sound, whereas other competing earbuds tend to typically just use one main driver to do everything. The proverbial one-leg kick, as locals are wont to quote. Now, the thing is, this active noise cancellation is also rather intelligent. According to Samsung, it has a voice detect mode where if it happens to hear your own voice, the user, it will dial down the volume and active noise cancellation so you can have a conversation. And 10 seconds later, it will turn it back up. So typically, you can talk to people and get it back done. And battery life is pretty good with 5 hours with active noise cancellation on and 18 hours in total. So all things considered, we really love the quality and performance of the Galaxy Buds Pro, and it costs 799 ringgit in Malaysia. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.